What's up guys, it's Lewis from Bitter Blade Co. And today I'm going to be making a lamp out of this old cream cheese box. And then I want to hide this. So I kind of want to cover this with something because I don't want the black plastic chunk hanging out of this vintage style lamp. So I'm thinking I'm going to cover it with some old decal. And I have this, so let's see what I can do with this. Alright, I don't know if I explained this yet, but I'm trying to go as rustic as possible. So, yeah. See if I can make this look older. I picked this tip up from some of Keith Decent's videos using some rulers. So I thought I'd hide the brass tube, little ruler pieces. And yeah, that looks pretty cool. Alright, I think she's almost done. Time to give it a coat of satin clear coat and try it out. Really nice, simple lantern, simple lamp, and I really like the way it came out. I made something out of basically nothing. A broken lamp, antique cream cheese box, and yeah, I made this cool lamp. Alright, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I think it's a pretty fun project that I did. Little simple lamp. I think I'm going to leave it natural. I don't think I'm going to clear coat it because I kind of like the look of it. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.